Hey, how's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the hinge covers from a Dell Latitude E6320. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Slide out locking tabs and remove battery. Then press in and remove SD card. Now press in button and remove optical drive. Now press in and remove express card. Then unscrew and remove hard drive. Now unscrew and remove base cover. Use fingers to pry apart and remove keyboard bezel. Now unscrew and turn over keyboard. Then disconnect and remove keyboard. Then remove bottom palmrest screws. Now disconnect palmrest cables. Next, remove palmrest screws. Next, remove palmrest. Then unscrew and remove hinge covers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.